Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you all: crypto trading for beginners. If you've been curious about dipping your toes into the world of cryptocurrencies and trading, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover the basics, essential tips, and precautions you need to know before you start trading cryptocurrencies. So, let us dive right in. No. 1. Understanding cryptocurrencies. To start off, let us talk about what cryptocurrencies are. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security and operate on a technology called blockchain. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others fall into this category. Number 2. Why trade cryptocurrencies? Now that we know what cryptocurrencies are, why should you consider trading them? Well, the potential for profit is one key reason. Cryptocurrencies are known for their price volatility, which can offer opportunities for traders to profit from price movements. Number 3. Essential concepts for beginners. Before you jump into trading, it's crucial to understand a few key concepts. We'll cover terms like wallets, exchanges, market orders, and limit orders. These concepts form the foundation of successful crypto trading. Number 4. Choosing a crypto exchange. One of the first steps in crypto trading is selecting the right exchange. We'll discuss factors to consider when choosing an exchange, such as security features, fees, available cryptocurrencies, and user-friendliness. Number 5. Creating your trading strategy. A solid trading strategy is essential for success. We'll go over different trading approaches like day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing. Remember, each strategy has its pros and cons, so choose one that aligns with your risk tolerance and goals. Number 6. Risk management and security. Protecting your investments and personal information is crucial in the crypto world. We'll share tips on setting stop-loss orders, using two-factor authentication, and storing your crypto assets securely in wallets. Number 7. Staying informed. Keeping up with the latest news and trends is vital in the crypto space. We'll guide you on reliable sources to follow so you can make informed decisions based on market developments. Number 8. Starting your first trade. It's time for the exciting part: making your first trade. We'll walk you through the process step by step, whether you're buying or selling a cryptocurrency. Remember, practice makes perfect. Number 9. Learning from mistakes. As a beginner, it's normal to make mistakes. We'll discuss common pitfalls to avoid and share stories from experienced traders who've been there. Learning from mistakes is part of the journey. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to crypto trading for beginners. Remember, while the potential for profits is enticing, crypto trading involves risks. Take your time to learn, practice, and start with a small investment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.